this is Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I am really excited to open this, although I am also scared. I was going to wait and have an unboxing of this later, but I want to go ahead and get this out there because this could be damaged. And this came from Add More Zest. So it came from the UK, and normally I have not had any issues with any of her boxings, and it's always come in great shape, but this really worries me because this whole section here is gone. There's a huge hole in this bag. And what I'm showing you here is just the custom declaration. There's not any information on it. That's off on the back side, has my address and my information. But I want to go ahead and open this because I want to make sure that there is not any issues, because this entire box here or bag contains my Advent materials that I bought. So I definitely need to check, and I hope that there's nothing wrong with this. Hopefully there is everything is boxed up, I hope, and it's just the package may have just gotten ripped because it did travel a distance. So far it's okay. I just hope there was nothing that was just in the bag. Rebecca and her team, her family is really good about that. I'm checking the bag now, so everything looks good, so that's definitely a plus. Okay, so let's first look at this. I will check and see if she still has some pre-orders that she's doing. I was one of the first ones, I think, that was on there. And then I had everything I wanted in my cart before she did the pre-order. And unfortunately, the one that I wanted was, it was out as soon as, already sold out, even after I had had it in my cart and I lost it. And so I wasn't able to get one thing that I wanted, but I was able to pre-order. I was able to go ahead and get the Advent calendar that I wanted, or the Advent canvas. I got rounds instead of squares. Let's see, this is my order here, so I'm gonna keep that over here. I'm gonna show you all my goodies. So I have gotten a yellow boat with a stopper. I really do like her trays. And I also got another one just like it in blue, very bright blue. Both of these match the canvas. So I didn't really need any more trays, but I saw these, they matched, and I wanted to get them, so I did. So let's look at this one. Now I also had gotten an Advent calendar, or an daily Advent. And so what I'm going to do on my channel is every day in December, I am going to complete that day for my canvas. And then I'm also going to open an Advent day. I'm not going to open these now, but I did not get the 25 days of Christmas because they sold out really quickly. That's what I did not get. But I got 2 12s, and they're probably the exact same thing. My daughter wanted one as well, so I'll take the first 12. She can take the other 12. Hopefully they're different. If they're the same, that's fine too. I'm not going to open these, but I'm going to open them every day of Advent. So there's day 12. They are numbered, so I'm going to put these up, and then I will just open them, and they will be a surprise. There's 12 of them in here. And they're all in these brown bags. Of course, I can feel and tell what they are, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it a secret, even to myself. I'm not going to open the other one because it's the exact same thing. It looks the same. Now, this one is the Advent count, or the Advent canvas. And I always do something for Advent. Last year, I created my own, but then when I saw that Rebecca with Add More Zest has these, then I thought this is absolutely perfect. Now, she ordered these, or had these manufactured through Diamond Art Studio, but Rebecca and her team, which is probably, I think, all of her family and family members that's on her team, She actually created this. She sent this over to Diamond Art Studio, and then she told them, you know, what she wanted, if she approved it. And so it is her design, but they're the ones that actually printed it out. I have never purchased from Diamond Art Studio either, so I don't know what to expect on this canvas or their drills. So let's flip it back. Okay, so this is really stiff. It's not very large, which I did not want a large one. We want a large size because I'll be doing this every day starting in December. Oh, this sounds terrible. This is really, really stiff. I think it's going to, the back is stiff. I think it's going to be fine though once I leave it out. Okay. Let me try this one more time because that is just, I need to pull this back some. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, so that is just on the plastic. It's not on the canvas. All right, and these are, as I said, these are round. This is a, I'm not sure what size this is. It doesn't say. It is a 40 by 40. So it's a perfect size. Let me see if I can put that down a little bit there. That works. Okay. And as you can see, why I purchased these two trays, because there's a lot of blue and there's a lot of yellow in here. Let me move this out of the way because that's distracting. Okay. Much better. For me anyway. That red tissue paper was distracting me. Okay, so it says Diamond Art Studio UK on here. This does say Zesty Advent, and it has Add More Zest. It has that it's round diamonds. There are 17 colors in here. And so if you look, I'm going to bring you up a little so you can see better. There's numbers on each one of these. So every day in December, I will complete one small square here. And so each day, hopefully I will stay caught up. Here's day one. Day one is at the top. Bring you back down. Day one is up at the top here. And so it's going to be an ornament. It has day one. So the days are not together. So there's day one. And then we have like day, looks like a 9 here at the bottom. And day 2 is little mittens here. And so that will be a lot of fun, I think. And there's only 17 colors, so that will not be very bad. But I think that this will be a lot of fun. I kind of wish I would have gotten my daughter one, but I wasn't sure if she would like it or not. But she can help me work on this as well. So that will be fun for her. I might even have her on a couple of the videos. And I will kit this up sometime in November. So on December the 1st, and every day in December, you will see me every day for a short diamond painting, a whip and chat. Not sure what I'll be able to talk about for this amount of time. It shouldn't take me that long to do one square. A lot of these are color blocking. Quite a bit of this is color blocking, so that will be rather quick. I was so excited to look at the canvas, didn't even show anything else yet. Let's look at the toolkit. I have no idea what they have in a toolkit. Let's see. I also want to see how sticky that this is, and if the glue goes over the side. That's really important to me. Okay, we have a boat. We have a little boat here. Of course, I'm going to use one of mine. And then we have some blue wax. And we have a, it's like a 2-placer here. And then we have a blue pin that's a single placer with a squishy if you want to use that. And then these are the very sharp ones. So make sure you keep your caps on the sharp ones or they're going to poke you. And then this one is a, I think this might be a 6-placer possibly. And it's thin on the sides here, which are the kind that I like. And then we have, which is really nice, there is a small, and it's perfect size for to put on your containers if you don't want to use baggies. And it does say Zesty Advent. So let's look at the drills. And these are wrapped around as well. I don't want to use scissors because I don't want to tear into a bag. Okay. I'm just going to open all these up. They could have been in order. I really don't know. They even have their sticker, Zesty Advent. It even tells you it's a 40 by 40 here by Add More Zest with Diamond Art Studio UK. And so these, right now, there's not any static in these bags. And that makes me so happy. Now, there may be static in them later when I go to kit up, but right now, there's not any. That is a really pretty blue. I don't see any issues with the drills. I don't see any dents or holes, any dimples in them in that bag anyway. I don't see any dimples in these either. They look like really good quality. Here's some ABs. So we do have ABs in here too. There are 3 ABs in here. That's awesome. Out of 17 colors, there's 3 ABs, so that's really good. And I am probably going to add some more ABs to this. I'm not sure where yet. It may be too much to add ABs. I'm not sure. But then next year, I will have this Advent for December of 2023. And then I can put this on the wall, and then every day we can move a button or something that I put on there over to the next day. I think it'll be a lot of fun. This is a lot of white, 5200. I don't see a lot of dimples in there either. That's really pretty. $37.99. I thought that was open. It's not. The darker ones, usually you can tell more if there's going to be any issues. I don't see anything in there, but it's a small bag. This one is number 680. That's really pretty. So there's a lot of blues and yellows, and that is why they have those trays. I almost didn't get the trays, and I'm glad that I did because I love how they match. I'm kind of a matchy-matchy person. Here's another AB. I don't think I've seen this color before on ABs. 318 AB. It's gray, but it has some green in it. Or green reflection. That's really pretty. Then, of course, the 310. It's a full bag of 310. But right now, there's not. I love that there's not any static. Maybe I should kit up now. But I cannot kit this up now because if I do, I might decide to go ahead and get started on it. And I cannot do that until December. Okay. And then here are some white ABs. 5200, which is going to match these. If you're not sure about ABs, the one on the right, this one here, that one is the AB and it is shinier. And this one, it's shiny, but it's not like an AB. It doesn't have that special coating on it. And then we have this blue 807. So I think this is going to be so much fun. I haven't done an actual Advent canvas like this where it actually has the numbers on it. And what I've done in the past is I just have my release paper on a small canvas, and then I will have the release paper numbered, and then I will just do the numbers. I just have numbers in a variety of areas, like on this one. But it's just one that I just decided to do just a canvas. I did a mystery canvas one year. I ended up, it didn't say what the theme was going to be. It just said a mystery canvas, and you had to decide, what it was. And so it was Halloween, and it was a scarecrow. So I thought after that, I am not going to do a mystery canvas that does not have a theme, because I felt kind of foolish doing a scarecrow for Christmas. But this one, it just reminds me of so much Christmas and the globes and just different things with wreaths, and there's a little bird there and mittens, and then the Christmas tree, there's one here and one at the top. So that will be so much fun. There's a little penguin and candles. I think that this would have been perfect for my daughter. I don't know if they have any more. I may check and see if she wants to do that or if she just wants to do it with me. We can do one together and we can say that it's our families. So that would be another option, to have her working along with me. Maybe a little difficult for her to work along with and film, because I don't know how I would set it up. But that is something that I can definitely figure out. I hope that you enjoyed this video and perhaps it has you thinking about Advent or thinking about the holidays coming up. It's still a little early, but I want to start enjoying the season while I still have a chance before it gets so busy and then I am not able to enjoy it as much. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked the content in this video, please click on the subscribe button so that way you are notified of future uploads. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye, everybody.